Welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you how you can add the customers in your partners account. So let's get started. Simply log into your partners account. Once you are logged in successfully, you will find the second option on the left hand side of customers. Simply click on that, and on the left hand side you will get an option of add customer. Click on add customer. Now it will ask you few things that you have to type here. Firstly, the customer name, okay, and it will ask you for the email ID. All right, and now you have to create a password for your customer that you are adding here. So you can create any password as per your requirement, and make sure you are reconfirming the same password here as well. Okay, and then you will click on add customer added successfully. So this is how you can add a customer in your partners account. And in case if you have any queries related to this, you can simply contact us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for choosing BotPenguin. Have a good one. Bye.